we are going to derive the quadratic formula, that is x is equals to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a. For that, first of all, we have the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. The first step is you need to transpose the constant to the other side. Then plus will becomes as a minus, therefore plus c is transposed to other side becomes as a minus c. Then leading power coefficient must be equals to 1, therefore each and every term need to be divided by the leading power coefficient, therefore that is equals to ax square by a plus b by a, x is equals to minus c by a. Then our equation is x square plus b by ax is equals to minus c by a. We are applying here completing square method. So in completing square method, you need to get either a plus b whole square formula or a minus b whole square formula. Here you are having a square as x square. Then I need to get the value of b. Therefore, to do that, I have here b by a into x. Already a square is equals to x square. Then a is equals to x. Then my b value will corresponds to b by a. To do that one, I need to multiply the middle term by 2, and to cancel the 2, I need to divide by 2. Therefore, I will have 2 into b by 2a into x. On doing cancellation, I will get the same question. This process is called as without loss of generality. Then I have here x square plus 2 into b by 2a into x. What is the new term you got here, excluding of the constant to b by 2a? That is our b term. Therefore, b by 2a whole square is equals to minus c by a. That same term need to be added on both sides. That is b by 2a whole square is equals to minus c by a plus b by 2a whole square. On your LHS, it is transformed as a plus b whole square, a square plus 2ab plus b square. That is equals to a plus b whole square. That is nothing but x plus b by 2a whole square is equals to minus c by a plus expand b by 2a whole square. You are having here b square by 4a square. Now we need to take the LCM for RHS side. LHS will be corresponds the same. That is equals to x plus b by 2a whole square is equals to, on taking the LCM, then how to take the LCM? Generally for the numbers we can take the LCM, but here you are having the variables. See, so 4a square and another term is a. Since a is a factor of 4a square, then the multiple will be the LCM. Therefore, 4a square is the bigger than a. Therefore, 4a square is the LCM. Now, minus c. In 4a square, 1a is same. Then what is the remaining here? 4a. Write down 4a plus 4a square, 4 square is present. Then write down here b square. Then x plus b by 2a whole square is equals to minus c into 4a is equals to minus 4ac plus b square by 4a square. Write the term in proper manner. That is nothing but place term need to be written the first, followed by the negative term. Therefore, our term will be b square minus 4ac by 4a square. Now here the LHS is in the form of a square, RHS is also be written in the form of a square. That's the reason how I will write is x plus b by 2a whole square is equals to cancel the square, I need to take root, square root. Then my question will be the same, and as per the requirement, the answer will be also same. Therefore, Now, as we know that plus of a number will be a positive, minus of a number will be also positive. That is plus whole square, plus of a number is multiplied for even number of times, you will get a positive number. If a negative number is also multiplied for even number of times also, you will get a positive number. They based on that criteria, we will write here plus or minus. Then as the powers are same, we will take here bases to be equal. Therefore, plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac by a square. That is the thing here. Transpose plus b by 2a to other side. Therefore, x is equals to minus b by a plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac by 4a square. X is equals to minus b by 2a plus or minus. Now separate the square root to the numerator and denominator. Therefore, square root of b square minus 4ac, the square root of 4a square is nothing but 2a. Now, the LCM is common, the fractions are said to be as a like fractions. So, the denominator you will write as same, then the numerator is minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac. Then as here plus or minus based on the degree, that is the number of the zeros are directly proportional to the degree of the polynomial. Since we are studying about the quadratic equation, the highest degree is 2, you will have two zeros. Then let the first zero is equals to alpha, alpha is equals to minus b plus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Then the second root is beta, that is equals to minus b minus b square minus 4ac by 2a. Therefore, we have minus b plus under root of b square minus 4ac by 2a as one root. Beta is equals to minus b minus under root of b square minus 4ac by 2a is the second root. Hence, the quadratic formula has been